can't see shit. It's just daytime right now. So we're mobbing pretty hard. We're trying to make it to Watson Lake today. It's about a 15-hour drive, so we're kind of trying to haul ass there so we can get a little bit of sleep, because last night we got about like 4 hours. So that was pretty shit. But buff road trip stuff. But now I think we're pretty ready to get home. I'm gonna try to shoot some more B-roll. I'm shooting B-roll through literally a piece of saran wrap. Doesn't look like shit, but it's getting to that point in the trip where it's like, all right, we wanna get home. It's starting to get cold. It's starting to get cold for me. These fuckers with heat and defrosters. Must be nice.
Where's it coming from?
What are those?
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get into the old Nikes, bud. It's got grippers on the bottom. I'm fucked.
The tape's really piling up.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
God
Damn, I gotta take these fucking things
off. All right, so we're trying to investigate some sort of vibration that Derek has. I guess he's also got something just howling under here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this didn't really gain you any ground clearance at all.
No. See, one bolt.
Reach under there and wiggle that thing. What do you mean, Mike? No, I mean, do it.
All right, we're just filled up. Back on the road. I grabbed some taquitos. Jeremiah grabbed some taquitos. Alex got one pizza, so his dumbass will be hungry in an hour. It's nice out. Roads are dry. My hands were getting cold, so Jeremiah let me borrow his Peruvian pee-pee pinchers. So these are mint. So we'll rock these fucking things for a little while. Probably all the way back. Hopefully he doesn't need them.
This is the current state of my windshield. As you can see, I can't. I was driving through this little peephole over here. Yeah, it's not gonna focus, but that's okay. But, well, anyway.
This is a casa for the night. Look at this, dude. The SpongeBob SquarePants shitter. The bathroom smells like mustard dust, dude. This little pirate cove. Piece of shit. This is 9. I'm not sure that would hurt it. No, it's a pretty baller. Scared of the woods here. I might have a Sam Squanch come out. So I'm about to lay in here. These two are cuddling. I'm cuddling with the crabs. Other than that, it's pretty good. I'm about to take a fat one on that bitch right there.
You gonna show SpongeBob what's up?
Yeah, SpongeBob is sponge nuts.
You gotta take a square shit.
Yeah, but a shit a Minecraft block.
You didn't show them the knobs.
Oh.
You didn't show them the knobs. Nice and slow. Can you play Minecraft?
Alright, day 4. We should be home today. We just left Teslin. We stayed over at the Ghetto Hotel in Watson Lake and drove to Teslin this morning, and it was like -5, -10. God, these GoPros are bitches, man. Fully charged battery, bitch is already dying. But no, we left Dawson Lake early this morning, went to Teslin, fueled up, got some food, and I got some hand warmers. I put my Santa Christmas stockings that I bought, so I'm wearing Christmas stockings with heater things in the toes, because I couldn't feel my toes yesterday when we were driving. It was about 20 below. Yeah. Here's the setup. If my intestines get cold, I got the Caliente fucking Pringle horse. Those are really good. I like the red one better, but the Vert ones are decent. This old son of a you-know-what is it's doing pretty good. It's staying warm. It doesn't blow that warm. We got the heater hot wired, but it has no ducting, as you probably saw at the beginning of the video. So the air just aimlessly blows underneath the dash. And there's like a squirrel wiener's worth of air that comes out of the fucking dash. So that's nice. It's great. So I'm wearing Jeremiah's famous Tiger Tuggers. So these are nice and warm. I got the blanket on, but it's probably like 0, maybe 5 above freezing outside, or 5 above 0 outside. It's probably 20, 25 in the car. It is ass. But it's the last day, hopefully, so we'll grind it out. We'll cruise like a steady 85, 90. I figured since I'm just driving aimlessly, I do a car tour. So got the glove box that doesn't shut because the zip ties are in the way that holds up the goddamn heater box. I got my Girly Vans backpack with a bunch of horse shit in it. I got the cooler full of red velvet coffee grinds for some goddamn reason. This piece of shit Canadian Nutri-Grain bars that suck. And they're, oh, check this out, look at this. You got a Rockstar with that shifter, that's metal as fuck. Peace. Woo-wee. That thing would poop in a Tesla, wouldn't it? Woo! Fuck Nissan for not making these things with cup holders. Bullshit. On in the back, we got the duct tape back window. Holding in there like herpes. Tires stacked to the brim. This is my viewpoint for changing lanes. So sure as shit ain't seeing anything out of that fucking thing. This car is pretty comfortable, it's decent. We got the Boom Slapper Ghetto Blaster 3000. That thing rocks the tits off this mirror. Yeah, I think we got about another 13 hours of driving. looked at my car and said, "Well, I don't think that'll buff out." No shit, Jimbo. Fuck sakes. But we're cruising pretty good. We just rolled through tow, fueled up for the last time, and we're headed home now. Toke's like 200 miles, some change away from Fairbanks, so we'll be home in like 3 or 4 hours at most. Hell yeah.
Nobody said it was going to be possible, but Derek and the two Fetty finally made it to Alaska. He's down one headlight, and that one's totaled, but he's got the hand warmers and the socks still.
Dude, I gotta like tippy toe. It's so fucking like 176 degrees.
Oh man, dude, the top is so stretched out now. It's hilarious. This thing has had zero issues the whole time. Minty. And man's over here still has his whole body kit. It's nuts.
I don't know how I do.
It's crazy.
I figured it would do what you said. Ice would get under it.
The only damage is a little bit of missing paint. That's it. Look at that. Rear spats. It's mint. It's crazy. We've been hitting jumps, sandblasting our cars with pebbles, and look at that. They're still here.
Goddamn, they're giving it away out here.
And I'm finally putting 90 in. Woo!